I don't have a lecture today, but I just still want to record it because somebody is not here, so they know what's going on for this class. So for group 1, you are supposed to working on homework 2, and it's due on Wednesday. Okay. So on Wednesday, I will have a introduction to these 2 tutorials, the LEDs and SSDs. Okay, so I'll have a lecture on Wednesday for group 1. For group 2, you have 3 weeks to work on homework 2. Do not wait until the last week, since it's not it's like a project. It's sometimes I think it's more complicated than your senior SEM project compared to some of the groups. So take baby steps, set up short-term goals. For example, the first week, you probably want to get everything done or working on your breadboard. So make sure you have a temperature displayed on the OLED monitor, and also signals are being sent to ThinkSpeak, so you can see all the temperatures are being updated on the website. Then week 2, probably start drawing the PCB because you haven't drawn any surface mount at a Mega 328P, so that microcontroller. And I have the oscillator with the capacitor inside. So I will let you know, I will send you a link so you can see the dimension for that oscillator. So you are not using the big one, the big version with two caps, like what you use in junior design. Lab 3, the week 3, debugging, whatever. Because I already give you the code for everything until you show everything on the OLED and also ThinkSpeak. But for the very final step, you can choose to start working on that in the very last week, because you can guarantee the first couple of steps are working. Or if you are confident that you can make it work in the first 2 weeks, just integrate that part to your system. Again, do not wait until the 3rd week, okay? If you can get the PCB done sooner, so I can, probably send it for fabrication sooner just for you. That's a plan for group 2. And we have a even bigger project after that. This is a little bit more complicated. So move faster will be good for you, okay? All right, I'll give the time to you, and I will be around to answer any questions you have. So for the following weeks, for either group 1, group 2, if you think you don't have to come over here, since on Monday I'm here to answer questions, right? So in-class tutoring. If you think it's better for working somewhere else instead of Family Hall, or you have a sweet spot somewhere in the lab, 602, if you like, you can work there. You can send me an email to ask questions. But if you have collected a lot of questions in the past week, and you do want to be here physically on Monday, so I can probably help you in person. You don't have to physically be here if you think somewhere else is better for you, okay, on Mondays. Check out the calendar. Check out this calendar. Refresh your browser every week, so you'll know what's going on for your specific group. Okay. Okay, that's it.